Rule number 11. Concord of time and distance, mathematical figures of fractions and percentages, measurement and money. When these occur in the subject slots, what verb are you going to select? Let's delve straight into the lesson. Concord of time and distance. Nouns of time and distance require a singular verb. For example, 22 minutes is enough for this exercise. This is a noun of time. You must go with a singular verb. 3 hours, 49 minutes has been allocated to complete the work. We chose singular verbs because we are referring to nouns of time. In the third sentence, 900 kilometers of the road has been constructed. This is a noun of distance. Therefore, we will select a singular verb. Another one, 248 meters was measured. So whenever you have nouns of time and distance, you must go with a singular verb. Let's solve this question. 33,000 hours was or were calculated. What is the answer? It is was. This is because we are referring to a noun of time. So we would select a singular verb. What about if you have mathematical figures of fractions and then percentages? The verb that you will select depends on the noun that follows the fraction or the percentage. Where the fraction or percentage is followed by a singular or uncountable noun, it takes a singular verb. For example, 1/3 of the cake is missing. 20% of the food has been eaten. 2/3 of the water has been dried. 60% remains in our account. Why did we select remains? This is because here we are talking about an uncountable noun, which is money. The money in our account. Whenever uncountable nouns follow fractions, you are going to select singular verbs for them. What if the fraction or percentage is followed by a plural countable noun? You must select a plural verb. For example, 2/4 of the books are missing. 50% of the managers are here. 3/5 of the tables have been broken. 90% of the trees have branches. So this is what you need to know about fractions and percentages as subjects. The verb you will select depends on whether we have a plural noun or an uncountable noun after them. Now let us answer this question. 20% of the money has or have been paid. The correct response is has. This is because the noun that follows the percentage is uncountable. So we will select has as our correct response. What about nouns of measurement and money? Whenever you have plural nouns of measurement and money in the subject position, it requires a singular verb. For example, 6 gallons of oil is needed to prepare the food. This is because we have a noun of measurement. Another instance, 20 bags of flour is ready for processing. So this is a noun of measurement, so we will select a singular verb. What about if we have plural nouns of money? 685 Ghana cedis has been paid to the firm, not 685 Ghana cedis have been paid to the firm. So remember, when money is involved in the subject position, we are going to select a singular verb. Another instance, $4,260 is needed for this project, not are needed for this project. This is because we have a count of money occurring in the subject slots. Let us answer this question. 3 billion naira. 3 billion naira is what I need or are what I need. What did we say about nouns of money? We are going to select a singular verb.